Hello everyone and welcome back. News headlines in English for 30th January. And first of all, national news. In ISRO's 100th mission, GSLV F-15 carrying navigation satellite lifted off. Stampede-like situation at Mahakumbh on Mauni Amavasya, many feared injured. Meghalaya introduced game-based learning for children, Chief Minister. In 16 days, recorded 23.9 million devotees took holy dip at Mahakumbh. Over 50% truck drivers in India have compromised vision, IIT report. Mahakumbh, railways running 360 trains in Prayagraj on Mauni Amavasya. Now some international news. Trump invited Netanyahu to White House on February 4, Israeli PM office. UN confirmed US withdrawal notification from Paris Climate Change Agreement. Denmark to boost security as Donald Trump ramps up threat to take over Greenland. Mona Lisa to have special space. Macron unveiled plan to renovate Louvre Museum. Donald Trump ordered to pause all federal grants loans. And Storm Herminia ravaged UK with severe flooding and travel chaos days after AOV. Now some sports news. Champions Trophy stadiums in Ammas in Pakistan, ICC CEO GOF Allardyce stepped down, a report said. Australia set eye on 50 over Women's World Cup after ICC Championship win. Indian cricket team fast bowler Jasprit Bumrah was honored with the prestigious Sir Garfield Sobers Award for ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year 2024. And that's all in news. Thank you.